welcome to the channel. My name is Sayed. Hope you have a great day. If it is your first time on this channel is all about SAP related tutorials, SAP related trainings, SAP related videos. If you like any of the videos, please go ahead and subscribe. In this video we will discuss about SAP upgrade to the newer version for S/4HANA. Is it really worth it or not? It depends on the company. So let's start off with me a little bit. I've been working in SAP for quite some time. I have written some SAP books. The link of the books will be available and the description on the YouTube. So what is SAP? SAP is the name of a software ERP application, and it's also name of a company. And so SAP known for its ERP application, and a lot of companies right now have SAP ECC, R3 ECC. So when we talk about is it worth upgrading to the S/4HANA, so there's a lot of things need to be considered, and maybe it's applicable to many companies, maybe not. SAP S/4HANA require new infrastructure. For example, it runs on in memory, so maybe that is the one thing. New hardware and software licensing, and when S/4HANA is fairly new, so there's required of new implementation. Basically you need new resources, so that's all need to be considered. So why we need upgrade to the S/4HANA? So if we say that there's incapabilities, for example, do you need better speed, and if you cannot wait for the BW reports for 1 day old reports, so in this case we can see that reports can be generated from ECC. Those possibilities are there, but it really depends what is the requirement is and how fit suit these requirements are for the business. I would say that there are a lot of reports available on ECC that can be used, and also I would say that if it is business is spent already millions of dollars for implementation of SAP, do they really need to spend again a lot more for the new upgrade for the S/4HANA? Maybe some industries they might need it, depend on the requirements, if they need to have faster system. For the most part that as ECC works fine, and maybe some companies they might have issues, maybe they can upgrade the hardware, that might solve some problems, but it really depends on the situation. So let's take a look at the next slide. So in ECC we can see that there is an Oracle based database, and we can see that in S/4HANA there's in-memory processing. A lot of things are changed, some functions are changed in ECC, so that may be required in all new implementation, basically upgrade to the S/4HANA. And S/4HANA already coming up with the newer versions, as we speak. So it all depends on the company's situation. Maybe sometime if we check with our ground level users, business and IT consultants, and see if they have a feedback that do we really need that. I see many companies are still using mainframe system, maybe because they are working with this and it's working fine for them. SAP is a very robust software, and with ECC version is very good. But maybe if the reports are taking so long time, if it is system is slow, maybe different reasons. So it really depends on that. So maybe it is situational based, and maybe based on the fact finding, it can be proven that maybe it's required, if it is required to spend to get newer version. So that's it. If you have any feedback, comments, please give a feedback. Thank you very much.